And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing the unboxing of a phone I bought off of eBay. I can't remember the exact price I paid for this one. It was under 15 bucks. It's the Motorola Crush with US Cellular. It does have the original box, and I almost stabbed myself. I went ahead and seen this, and at the price and the original box, I couldn't pass it up. So I went ahead and picked it up. This makes me really happy just to do that, guys. Alright, so here it is. It's in this saran wrap stuff. We'll get all this out. There we go. And there's the phone. Like I said, it'll be a proper unboxing of all these new ones I've gotten so far, and a follow-up video with everything, but it's kind of like a quick unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.